Hey, what's up, you guys? Back at you guys with another video. Want to just say, first of all, today's my son's birthday. He turned 22. Big shout out to you, son. I love you. I don't care how old you are. You're going to always be my baby boy. I love you, son. I pray many, many, many blessings upon your life. Continuously favor, love, joy, and peace in your heart, son. And I pray that every good godly thing from above come your way, son. I love you with all my heart. Love, Mom. So I'm on my way right now to have lunch with one of my sisters slash friends. Hey, you guys, so I'm on my way to go get my family, my children, and my husband so we can go out to dinner for my son, Tomas. Again, he turned 22 years old. Earlier, I forgot to show you guys my food. I was so caught up in it. It was so bomb. But I'm just FYI, it was a chicken salad.
I guess it's record time. So today is my son's birthday. He is 22. We're just gonna go out and have a nice little dinner with the family, Tahoe Joe's. So we're gonna eat some steaks and whatever. I eat steaks. Whatever they want to eat, that's on them. I eat.
Chicken fettuccine. We are on our way to Tahoe Joe's. We got Millie all the way in the back trying to hide.
We got Millhouse in the house.
We got Daisy.
We got Lulu in the house.
We got Malachi.
We got Malachi in the house. And we got
Chile
Dile in the house.
We got
we're gonna
Big
go.
Papa. Little
Big.
Mama.
Little Mama. Yeah. I'll be
So what?
smashing.
Yeah, we're gonna go where?
To Tahoe Joe's to go just have a nice little dinner with my son. He's turning 22. He's officially he's a young man, adult.
Put your
full of
seatbelt on,
responsibilities.
sweetie.
Oh yes, I'll put it on right now.
See you guys when we get there.
Peace.
Isaac, what are you getting to eat? I'm gonna get either the Blackwood Canyon or shrimp scampi. What are you getting, Theo?
Huh?
What are you getting?
I'm getting a steak. Nice ribeye.
Tomas?
Ribeye.
Meal? Ribs? Chile?
Hamburger,
And Daisy?
steak,
And Malachi?
steak.
Chi. Yeah, we're ready.
Yep.
See you guys when we get our food.
Tomas, I want to tell you happy birthday. I want to tell you that I love you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you what you do for the house. I appreciate who you are as an older brother for your little brother, your little sister. Even though everybody's already grown, you know, we've come a long ways, man. And I just want to say that I love you, man. I appreciate you, and I pray blessings over your life, and that when that time comes, 19 years.
One day I love you. Yeah, you're annoying. But I mean, that's his brother. I want to tell you that I hope you had a good day. And I hope you keep negative energy away from you. I hope you just keep pushing. And that's it. Happy birthday.
And I appreciate everything that you do for me and the family. And yeah. So I just want to tell you happy birthday and that I love you and thank you for buying us stuff from the store and picking us up, and that's it.
So I just want to tell you happy birthday and that I love you and that you're a good brother and that you're a good uncle to Malachi, and thank you for everything that you do for us, like buying us stuff.
Son, I want to tell you happy birthday. 22 years ago, I was in labor, and it was but I want to tell you a big blessing came out of it. And you know what, Tomas? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you of the man that you're growing up to be. And I pray that you're patient in your blessings to come, because it's prayer, answered prayers. And I see you blessed in every area, financially, physically, with your other half and your family soon to come, all in its time, but I see you blessed in all of it, son. And I thank you for help and for being at home and not leaving. I know you guys are growing up, and that's part of life, but today I'm happy. I'm super happy, and I'm super blessed because I have all of you guys at home and the relationship that we all have. And to me, it makes me happy. My heart is satisfied. I'm satisfied inside. Not because of having stuff, but because what I have right here on the table. And I love how you take care of your sister. You take them out, you spend time, to take them, teaching them how to drive. And just how you love Malachi. And just the relationship that you have with your siblings and with me and your dad. And I love you, son. I'm proud of you. Tomas, you want to say something?
Just, I love my family. I mean, there's not more I could ask for.
Isaac, scoop it.
I love everybody here.
You want to say something to your tío? Tío Tomás? Go, Popeye. What are you going to get, baby? Huh? You want his thing?
Okay,
What'd you get?
guys. Sorry how I sound, but this is our food. This is here at Taco Joe's.
Chow time. We are officially done eating, and it was bomb.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tomas. Happy birthday to you. Go, Malachi. Dip it in there. I got you.
You guys didn't know his name?
The cheese.
Go
cake.
Malachi, look at Malachi. Ah.
Well, overall, it was a nice dinner. We just thank the Lord for my son. He turned 22. We went and had some steaks, a little bit of mixture of ribs, hamburgers. I don't know what the kids got, but it was good overall. We enjoyed the time, and we're just gonna close it out for the day, for today. And it was February 3rd. Peace in the Middle East, and hope you guys like it. Like we said, we still got to sit down and elaborate about our life and see where we go from there. We're just having fun.
And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace.